Welcome to One Serene Residences, situated in the heart of downtown Islamabad, 30 minutes away from the city centre. Surrounded by the lush Margala hills and breathtaking greenery, with Pakistan's largest iconic Faisal Mosque and the cultural melting pot of Kosar Market, Islamabad epitomizes the perfect fusion of natural greenery and thriving lifestyle. At One Serene Residences, we embody luxury living amidst these natural and cultural landmarks. In April, significant project milestones were reached. 2,174 cubic meters of concrete were poured, establishing the foundation, while 322 piles provided strong support. Additionally, 1062 RFT beams enhanced the structural framework. Excavation work progressed with 641,256 cubic feet completed. RCC retaining wall construction is underway, with 200 out of 439 running feet completed, enhancing stability and aesthetics. With construction in full swing, One Serene Residences is crafting a narrative of luxury living, promising an unparalleled lifestyle in the heart of the homeland. One Serene Residences, it's a lifestyle.
One Homes. Live beyond.